Hello my friends and welcome to Sketchly. Today's tutorial shows how we can enable Play Store in-app updates. So it's going to be split into two. The part one, which I'll give you the overview, and we'll be implementing the full flexible in-app update where it's just an half screen updates. So you just see an app screen that tells you your app is out of date, kindly update, the Play Store UI kind of. So it's a Google Play supplied UI that tells the user to update their app. So that what we'll be implementing today is an easy project. It's an easy project. But we'll be explaining the code in case you are tweaking it, in case you are modifying it, so you don't, let's say you remove colon semicolon and then you now be I scattered everything, so that kind of thing doesn't happen. So to avoid such, I'm going to be explaining the use of every code in this project. So the first thing, we create our project and ensure that you are uploading your app to Play Store, because it installs, or rather it updates the app from Play Store. So we on our app compat, otherwise known as the Android X, and so on and so forth. So we enable it, and then the project comes with these libraries added. So make sure this your project, when it's in your hand, these libraries are added to your project. Then ensure this code also exists. And not to forget, sorry, if you are not using any internet service, so it's required that you add this permission. It's required you add the internet permission. So you add it. So this is my button to check for updates. Before checking for updates, let's add the required codes and block. So we add this necessary imports. Sorry. So in on create, I'm not really doing anything. This is just optional. This is not necessary. It's not necessary. So let's go to our more blog. What I have is init and check for updates. Init is just like saying, okay, what is A? A is Adam. So we're adding value to variables. Yes, so we're initializing it. So that why I name it init. So there are variables I will add in this project that I'm going to be using. So we have our app update manager, which is a very core object, as the case may be. So I'm initializing them here and then calling the necessary method that I will need. So once you open the app, nothing happens. You can see. So before I explain this code yet, let's head over to check for updates. Once the user clicks check for updates, we initialize the variable added in the previous mod block. So we are checking for update and we're checking if an update already exists. So in a case where the user have already clicked on update and then let's say the phone turn off, battery low, and is not able to install the downloaded update, or after the update has been downloaded, as the case may be. So we are going to call this method pop-up snack bar for complete update. I will tell us where the method is created. So we can call it, yeah, what anything in this whole place, in this whole circle like this, any code you put here is just add actions you want after the update has been downloaded but not yet installed. So we are registering a listener, because he needs a background service to run even when the user is in another app. So with what happens here is we check for update. So we use this to check for update. Once an update exists, for instance, if the user is using an outdated version, So like I said, I'm using a flexible update, so it's not that it will force the user to update before they continue using the app. No, it is not compulsory. So in the next video, I will show us on how to make a compulsory update. So if the update is available, we request an update. So now let's go to the other more block. So once we request an update, it triggers something here. So once the update has started, it's going to toast this. So you can toast a message, you can show user a dialog message that the update has started. So this is our pop-up snack bar for complete updates. Is when the update has been downloaded and we want to install. So once the update has been downloaded, we are going to show a pop-up snack bar the users can use to restart the app. So by clicking the restart button, it actually installs by calling this complete update. But if the user did not engage, in the snack bar for 30 seconds, we're going to just dismiss the snack bar and then show it again when the user open the app. So to clean resources so that the device doesn't lag, because when there are a lot of activities running, background services running, it can lag the device. We are going to remove app updates in on destroy to free app memory, free device memory, and so on and so forth. So that is that. So you can see the project is not even a tough one. So when we click the button, we just call the method check for updates. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notification bell for the next tutorial. This project will be available, the SWB file will be available in our Telegram channel. You can go there and download the file for free. Thank you for watching. Please support Sketchly.